discover responses. And that's where your case, you can make or break your case. So how to prepare for the depo? Let's go into that. Okay. It's important for you to know, if you're the defendant, why you're being sued. So you read the complaint and go over that with your attorney and understand what is the basis for the lawsuit, whether it's a breach of contract claim, whether it's a fraud claim, whether it's a partnership dispute, whether it's whatever allegations that are in the complaint. Understand why you're being sued. Understand what the other side, the plaintiff, needs to prove in order to prevail. You need to understand the lawsuit because the questions will be based on that. The opposing counsel will try to elicit answers that will help his or her case. So understand that. Read the complaint. Read the answers and affirmative defenses that were raised. A lot of affirmative defenses are legal affirmative defenses. So have your attorney explain those to you, because you're going to be asked to explain the facts which support affirmative defense number 1, for example. And it might be a legal defense, and you may not have an answer for that. But understand what is on in those documents, what was drafted and what was filed with the court as a defense. If you filed a counterclaim, you're suing them back, suing the other side back. Read the counterclaim. Understand why you're suing for, what you're trying to obtain, because you're going to be asked questions about this counterclaim. Discover responses. And that's where your case, you can make or break your case. If you responded to discovery, you responded to interrogatories under oath, read those very carefully, because you will be asked about those questions. You will be asked about the answer you provided in your interrogatories. Review your contracts. Any contracts that you have signed that is part of the lawsuit, review them. Review emails as well, text messages, invoices, any business records. And I know it can be overwhelming, and it can be a lot of work, but this is your case. And if you're not familiar with the documents that you signed or that you provided, or the text messages or the emails, they're going to come back later and haunt you.